Hello folks, we got a guest with us here tonight. Daniel, it's been a while since he's been on.
A long time.
With us here. He's out of work right now. He's got a stress fracture in his foot. I think it's the 12th.
Yep. They
finally got him MRI set up to have it looked at again there. They've done several x-rays and still hurting him pretty bad.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're not going to bore you. This is going to be a short video. We're not going to show us a planting. It's basically the same way we done it the other day there. I'll put a link down in the description for that video if you want to go back and take a look at it. We're using the milk jugs again. I went through and cut a bunch down. We've got our seed starting mix over there. We got our vermiculite. We got our handy dandy dollar store sprayer. And we'll just put the dirt in there, sprinkle the seeds on top, and then we'll sprinkle the vermiculite on top of that there, wetting it down, seal the top up, and that's basically all you got with it there. But the tomatoes we planted the other day, they're coming up good. I'm going to go ahead to be on the safe side tonight and plant a few more of our green bell peppers. Only 2 of them have come up so far, but we can always use plants, folks.
Yeah.
We've done that before, like with tomatoes or something. Didn't look like many was coming up. We'll go start some more. Lo and behold, a few days after we done that there. But be on the safe side, we'll go ahead and start some more of the green bells tonight.
Yep.
Dan, now once again, me and Carolyn, we are not big on spicy peppers.
I can handle it, but mostly what this is going to be, last year I grew 3 varieties of hot peppers and I took them down to work whenever they got done there, and everybody liked them, and I made some salsa too, and they wanted some more salsa, so I thought this year I'd expand the variety out there. Now some of these is ones that they wanted to try and then that I wanted to try too, but
we'll start off with this one. Hopefully y'all can see that.
Apocalypse Scorpion.
Apocalypse Scorpion. That sounds like a cool pepper.
Brazilian Starfish.
Brazilian Starfish.
And then Yellow 7 Pot.
Yellow 7 Pot. You had grew one of them last year, didn't you?
Yeah, I grew that one there, 7 Pot Yellow, and then the Brazilian Starfish. And then this is chocolate 7 Pot Pepper.
Does it taste like chocolate?
I don't know, probably not. If it is, hot chocolate. And then I got these ones here. All 4 of those was from Baker Creek. And then I've got 5 different packs here of peppers I'm going to try. This one here is Peach Carolina Reaper. And then this is Hallows Eve pepper. And then this one here, it probably won't, it's not as hot, but it's a black jalapeno.
Black jalapeno.
And then this is black pearl pepper. I don't have them out here, but I grew some Phyllis Blue last year as little tiny peppers, as purple. This here is about like them, but it's called black pearl pepper. And then 2 left here. Chocolate Carolina Reaper, and then purple Taj Mahal. That one's the chocolate Carolina Reaper, and then that one is the purple Taj Mahal pepper.
It's where the packs don't catch on fire.
Yep.
But no, once again, folks, we're not the hot pepper people. But Dan's going to have a wide variety of them this year, it looks like.
Yeah.
We'll plant them in different areas where they don't crossbreed.
Yeah, you don't want them mixed with your regular bell peppers.
But no, he got some tomatoes and all. We'll show you them a little bit later on.
Yeah.
And actually the tomatoes we planted the other day, we're going to have to go ahead and be up potting them before long. That's some of the ones we're going to be putting in the greenhouse. We'll go ahead. They jumped up quick. But once again, these ones here, we'll be putting them on the heating mat. And like I said, we're not going to bore you showing us, planting them and everything. It's basically the same way we did those the other day. And we'll link that video in the description. But you've got a bunch of different hot peppers. And then plus, there's another one in the refrigerator out there I'd say he's going to probably plant.
Yeah, I got a pack of, like I said, them Phyllis Blues. I thought I'd got them out, but I must have left them in the refrigerator. They're little small peppers. They're about a mild pepper. Mild to me.
But no, mild to you. But no, folks, that's all we're going to have today. Like I said, we're going to get these planted, get them started, and take them in there and put them onto the heat mat. And we was kind of out of room. We actually got the heat mat laid across the entertainment center in there above the TV. But no, it won't be long. Be starting the rest of our tomatoes and everything. We'll show you that as we get a little bit closer to it. I still need to go up. I'd like to go ahead and disinfect. We didn't have no disease last year, but I'm going to go ahead, all of our seed starting trays and everything, we're going to go ahead and disinfect those. And
you can never be too safe.
Can't be too safe. I'd rather be safe than sorry. And also, we're going to have to check our heating pad for the water bed. Make sure it's good. It didn't leak none last year. I put new plastic in it last year. Hopefully it's still good. If not, we'll change the plastic out. But Lord, now tomorrow the day that you're watching this here, it's supposed to be back down in the 40s and rain. But the rest of the week, they're giving the 70s all week. Now I know it's probably just false spring, but the peep frogs and the robins has sure been a hollering too. But I have seen it pouring snow with the robins out here. And the red-winged blackbirds, they're back. And that darn hawk, I seen it back up here again yesterday. But we get 70s this week. That'll push another week closer to spring.
Yep.
Won't be long. Time's going to be changing. Going to have another extra hour of daylight.
Yep.
But no, I hope everybody has a blessed day and a blessed week. Stay safe. And Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday for What's for Supper Wednesday. And I'd like to thank all the new people that's been coming over. And I really appreciate everybody that's been with us. Thank each and every one of you. Y'all are great. And I hope you all stay safe. We'll keep you in our prayers.
See y'all Wednesday.
See you guys.
Y'all have a good week.
Bye-bye.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, It's always free. Join our journey. Come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams, one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. So here's to the moments we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching, we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching as we close this song. At Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn. So thank you for watching as we close this song at Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn.